my first glimpse at the Ford Focus. It's launched today in Ireland. I can check a couple of different models and let you know how good it is. It looks really good in this blue. Nice honeycomb grills. Been in the Ford Focus. I really like the ST line. This is a 1.5 litre diesel. I also drove the 1 litre EcoBoost. I've got the chrome grille and chrome detailing, but which the ST line removes. And you've got some nice touches on the doors where the door close has, one of those buffers, but it's kind of plasticky sounding and it gives a very tinny ring to when you're closing the door. Overall, it is very much a Focus inside. And yeah, Ford have done a good job with this Focus, and it's sure to do well for them even in this climate where SUVs are hugely competitive.